all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Godrej Properties. I would like to introduce Mr. Mukesh Mulani and Mr. Meghal Parker. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Kamal Chandani. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, Godrej Properties is a name synonymous to style, quality, and affordability at its best. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Godrej and Mr. Chandani to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing, starting with Mr. Meghal.
Hi, good evening all. I'd like to first thank everybody who has joined for this webinar. So as I say, as everybody knows about Godrej, so Godrej is a company which has a legacy of 123 years. So before a few years back, all the locks and the refrigerators, what you see everybody was having, that was of Godrej. And as in real estate, we entered, you can say approximately 30 years back. And now we are, you can say, the leaders of in real estate pan-India. So we have, you can say, projects in 12 cities of India, pan-India, and we are one of the leaders in the real estate.
Mr. Kamal?
Yeah, hi everyone. I represent PropTiger. We are a real estate advisory firm owned by Elara Group, which also owns Housing.com and Makaan.com. We are into real estate advisory solutions for our customers. We help them, find a dream home. We secure a very good relationship with all the top developers of the country, and we help, our clients to get good deals from those relationships. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists. Before we proceed, let me show you why Godrej Green Glades and SG Highway continue to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be among the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the riverbanks of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-specialty hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both the railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, the city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination. Jagatpur, the northwest region of Ahmedabad, is in close proximity to major landmarks and is located just off SG Highway, which is Ahmedabad's fastest growing corridor of high value and high potential real estate. Major real estate brands come up with their milestone projects in here, and one among them is Godrej Properties. Ahmedabad's first of its kind self-sufficient township, Green Glades at Godrej Garden City, is an extensive mixed-use development and has everything you need to live a comfortable and a luxurious life. Abundant greenery, clean fresh air and convenient location, this property houses over 13,000 apartments and villas. Godrej Green Glades has its own retail space, City Square, well-segregated homes, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, etc., and is proposed to be surrounded by schools, playgrounds, malls, entertainment centers, hospitals, office spaces, and a lot more. Welcome to Green Glades at Godrej Garden City, a city within a city.
I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. So Mr. Meghal, tell us about your project Godrej Green Glades and what you think will appeal to home buyers.
So when you talk about the project Green Glades, it is, you can say, it is a township project, Godrej Garden City, and we have already developed, you can say, till phase 5. So Green Glades, particularly when we talk, different from till phase 5 is it is having its own clubhouse and the amenities, and also it is rated as a premium cluster within our township. Correct. So it is something different what we have developed, and it is with the feedback from the you can say previous clients. We have made it in a different way from the others. So like it has its own amenities, and it is more type of a green you can say a project with a 77% of the open space. So it makes difference, and which will attract the home buyers in Ahmedabad, because such kind of projects in Ahmedabad is hardly present, which has its own amenities over here. And one more thing, within this budget, this is the tallest residential tower as of now, which is available. So if somebody wants to get a view of, you can say 20th floor with a budget of 50 lakhs, then the only project is Green Glades in Ahmedabad.
Mr. Mukesh, thank you for joining in. Please tell us how is SG Highway as an investment destination, and what is the scope of development like?
Yes, Surbhi. So, see, SG Highway, I just like to brief about SG Highway first, rather just jumping on the investment proposition. So, see, SG Highway is Sarkhej Gandhinagar Highway, having a range of 45 kilometer. A drive is of almost 30 minutes. Now, this highway was initially created to, avoid traffic of downtown and easily accessible to all the corporates and all the industrials at the one go. So later on, we as in real estate developers have identified it as one of the opportunity where we can use it as the investment along with end user opportunity, which we can propose it to our home buyers. And being SG Highway is the only place where we can see a lot of entertainment hubs are also there, a lot of corporate hubs are also there, which gives a easy access to everybody to have a chance for investment at one point of time at a go. So looking at the corporate houses like Intas is there, Zydus is there, Adani is also coming up with their corporate house at their township. So SG Highway will be, in futuristic approach, we can say will be one of the best and the roadside which everybody can think of in the nearby vicinity. If they are investing, then that this is the right time to go for investment if SG Highway is rightly being taken care of.
Okay, so who is your target audience, and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying at SG Highway? Mukesh?
See, yeah, Surbhi, if we talk about target audience, initially, almost 10 years down the line, when we have started our Godrej Garden City project, at that point of time, the idea of entire project was we bring in a lot of investors there, because at that point of time, it was considered as an outskirt areas, even though it was at that point of time as well within the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation limit, but there was a mindset of Ahmedabadis that this project is in outskirt. So at that point of time, no doubt it was corely for investor product. But today, if you see, we have almost more than 5,000 families staying in the township. All the amenities within the premises are available in radius of 2 kilometers. So today, it is open for all investors, at the same time end users as well. And if we go in sub-micro market, then ideally we can say that we have entire Cosmo crowd which is available in Godrej Garden City. So all the age groups starting from age of 21 till age of 70 and retirement, we can say that all are our target audience. Because we have mixed batch of all the amenities available within our premises. If we talk about age group of 21 to 81 to 30 who will be looking for club amenities, we have all the club amenities available within the premises. If we talk about housewives who are looking for amenities like yoga facilities, morning walk, evening walk, all the facilities are available within premises. If we are looking for amenities for aged people who are willing to spend their retirement time in the township, we have all those facilities like 13,000 trees, pure air, cooler homes. All these facilities are available within premises. So we have set of entire niche target audience, at the same time macro target audience as well.
Okay. Mr. Kamal, thank you for joining in. So if we talk about property prices on SG Highway corridor, how well Godrej Green Glades is placed in that market?
So as far as the pricing are concerned, and I believe Godrej is better paired, and the prices parity are in as per the competition. Having said that, since the prices are on the same grounds, Godrej offers you a better quality of product. So it is always advisable for you to buy a product which is of a better quality at the same price. So I do not find any disconnect in the pricing as far as Godrej is concerned. So you get a 2 BHK in 46-47 lakhs with all the payment options available, and a 3 BHK starting from 66 lakhs going up till 95 lakhs. So pricing is at par with what the competition is offering in the given micro market.
Okay. Mr. Meghal, could you also throw some light on the available property options at your project?
So when you talk about the options in the green glades which we have, so we have starting from a 2 BHK, which is roughly starting from a 624 carpet to 646 square feet carpet. That is a kind of a decent 2 BHK, which nowadays the nuclear families look into. And then we have a 3 BHK, you can say a spacious apartment, which is roughly 900 square feet carpet area, correct? Which you can say which has a balcony and a you can say a bedroom, a master bedroom of almost 10 by 14 and a half, which you get in a normally a property of 1200 square foot carpet. Also, we have a 3 BHK luxury, which is an 1134 square feet carpet area, which is a proper 3 BHK. Correct. So we have these three options available as well as the penthouses are available. So we have a penthouse of a 2300 square feet carpet, which is on the 22nd and the 23rd floor, which gives you, you can say, one of the best views of the SG highway and you can say the Gandhinagar greenery view. So you have, you can say, good options with that, you can say, decent sizes available in the project. And when you talk about the pricing, 2 BHK pricing starts from 47 lakhs and goes up to 51 lakhs. 3 BHK pricing for a 900 square foot is roughly 74 to 77 lakhs. And a luxury one will be roughly around 95 to 97 lakhs. And the penthouses will start from 2 crores 15 lakhs on. So when you talk about the pricing and the sizes within the micro market and the amenities what you are getting are the best.
I would request our viewers to drop in their queries in the comment section. We will try to address them in the later half of the webinar. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Godrej to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
So, to all the viewers, like who are from Ahmedabad or you can say outside Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad is you can say one of the financial capital of Gujarat. Correct. So, as you know, Gandhinagar is capital of Gujarat, but the project which we are right now is exactly at the center. So it connects the you can say capital and a financial capital of the state, which is Ahmedabad. So when you see Ahmedabad is having a high literacy rate, plus it has been observed that economic growth in Ahmedabad is as high as 10.1%. And in Ahmedabad, you get a very good rich labor pool also. And everybody knows that Ahmedabad is kind of a pharmaceutical hub for India, not only for Gujarat, but for India. All the big companies like Zydus, Intas, which are into now making medicines, its head offices are at Ahmedabad. And Ahmedabad, when you see, is kind of a destination for investment because the pricing, when you compare to other metro cities, are you can say kind of very low, and you have an you can say point for the appraisals. Correct. So this is you can say the actual picture of the township what we have developed in last 10 years. You can see the more greenery what you get in the township. Yeah, can you please next slide? Yeah, so as I mentioned before, the options which are available in our township are 2 BHK, 3 BHK spacious, 3 BHK luxury and penthouses. So these are some of the options available as of now in Green Glades, and the possession timeline is June 22. So from 2 years, like we have already done 50% odd of the construction, but you can say 2 years you have. So the area which will be more developed and you will see more people moving in with us. Yes. Next slide, please. So the project which we launched, Green Glades, was not just a project, but it was a concept what we launched. The main pain points what client sees right now is that air is not much purer within the city. Correct. Like in Ahmedabad, when you stay, your temperatures goes up to 48 to 50 degrees nowadays. So to make, you can say, to get that all the pain points away from the clients, those who are staying in Garden City, we had a concept that we had 13,000 trees planted in township, which makes the air much purer and makes the person staying in Garden City healthy. Plus 15% cooler homes. So the materials being used to make your home will make you feel cooler within your home. Correct. So your light bills through the air conditioners will obviously go down. So it will be a win-win situation for you, saving your light bills and having a more cooler home. Plus, GreenGlades, as I mentioned before, is a cluster which is having its own 40 amenities. Nobody else can use that. So that is one of the USP. Again, this is the only cluster which is having two-level basement parking in Godrej Garden City. Correct. And the buildings are green building technology, construction technology. So, and then this on the screen, when you see this is a 2 BHK sample house, you can see a kitchen, which is, you can say, a good size kitchen for a 2 BHK. Then the master bedroom, then you have the living and the hall dining combined. Plus, when you see your windows, it has a full windows. So your view will be, you can say, open view, and that will give you a good feeling when you're just waking up in the morning and having a look of a greenery township, which has 13,000 trees. Yeah, next slide, please. So as I talk to the rental, as Mukesh mentioned that there are 5,000 odd families staying in the township. So yeah, there are some people staying on rentals. So when you compare the rentals on year basis, you are getting the returns approximately 5%, which is higher in the micro market of Ahmedabad. The reason of getting higher rentals are a better township, a well-planned township where you get each and everything within the township, and the only thing you need to go out is your office. As we work from home nowadays, so this is the place where you should feel, yeah, this is my home and office and the best place to stay in. So I think, so we can take, I think this is a good point. So
Thank you, team, for the presentation. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. So Ms. Anokhi is asking, is there a benefit of siding with branded developers today? Prices are high and chances of delay are plenty. Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this one?
Sure, Surbhi. So, see, this is a genuine a genuine concern from all the home buyers. What they're expecting, that whether we should go with branded developers or local developers, and if we are going with branded developers, what is the benefits they can expect from day one? So, see, I was reading a lot of news articles and a lot of surveys where they was getting an update that there is a price cut of say 10%, 15%, or 20%. But ideally, see if it is an under construction project and if pricings are cutting and builders are giving a lot of discount, quote unquote. But I think that at the end of day, when apartment is getting delivered to final home buyer, at that point of time, there will be some compromise in the quality of construction or quality of delivery. Whereas if we talk about brand like Godrej, we won't compromise anything in our quality and anything in our final finished products. So see, if you are going with branded developers, first point is, yes, you will get everything what it has been said to you and nothing will be deviated into it. Second thing, being it is under RERA now, there's a double check. We won't deviate any of the process, any of the guidelines which are governed under RERA. So practically home buyers should definitely go with category 8 kind of developers, in which Godrej suits the best in this micro market.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Mr. Chandresh is asking, in the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed after, will I be able to approach RERA? Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this one as well?
So Chandresh, I would love to answer this question. Ideally, see, if construction is being delayed and project is being delayed, everything what it is written that from the day one, everything will be, as I said, will be covered as per RERA guidelines. So ideally, I won't comment. I won't be able to comment right now because it is too early to comment. But yes, if anything goes delays, there are conditions which are supporting to home buyers as per RERA guidelines. So that will be taken care of.
Okay. Mr. Rahul is asking, in the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation in this market? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer this one?
Yes, you can definitely expect a good appreciation in this market. Reason being that time frame which you have taken is 5 years, and it's a long time frame. Although we are suffering through a short-term health crisis, but then I am expecting things to get resolved soon, and 5 years is a decent time to get any kind of appreciation, especially when you associate yourself with a good quality product, wherein there is a lot of demand in the market.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Krishan is asking, what is the booking value as of now? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
Yeah, I would like to answer this. So the booking value is if you go for a 2 BHK, that is, you can say 5% of the basic value which you need to pay as in booking amount, which is roughly 2 lakh rupees. So anything you go 2 BHK, 3 BHK or a luxury one, it is 5% of your basic cost is the booking amount.
Miss Meher is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 2 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that SG Highway is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this one?
So see, Meher, as I said that all the things what any home buyer is looking for, we have all these facilities available within our township. And if we talk about SG Highway as a whole, then definitely there are other projects as well which you can consider. But at the same time, as I said, our township is integrated township. All the facilities which are required for day-to-day amenities and all these facilities which any home buyer is looking for are available in 2 kilometer of radius. So definitely you don't need to give second thought before visiting Godrej Garden City site.
Okay, Mr. Sunil is asking, I'm a bachelor looking to buy a property on SG Highway. Can you tell me whether there's any subvention plan? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
Sunil, so it is as you're a bachelor, so this is the right time to make a choice because there is no, you can say, taking a permission of your wife or something. So you are the only decision maker. So we have an offer for you, which makes you just pay 20% now and 80% is at the time of possession. So if you are planning to get married early within 2 years, so you can suffice your expenses of your marriage for 2 years, just because as you're buying a property by paying 20% and rest is as a time of possession. So you do not need to take any bank loans or anything. Every process of your bank loan will be done at the time of possession. So you can even add your wife as a beneficiary once you are, you can say, married, and that may increase your, you can say, loan eligibility also. So that is a good payment plan where your EMI starts after possession.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Tanmay is asking, is there a price advantage if I invest in SG Highway and not any upcoming other Ahmedabad micro market? So, Mr. Mukesh, Mr. Meghal, who would like to take that up?
So, Surbhi, I'll take this question. Tanmay, as I said that, see, SG Highway is one of the developing hub what we are looking at today. And there are multiple projects out in market, but ideally in COVID scenario, my preference will be to go with Cat A developers, where you don't have to look much on paper part, documentation part, delivery part, construction part. All these things will be taken care of if you are going with Cat A developers. And only option left today in Cat A developers, specifically in micro market today, I think Godrej is the winning product what we can definitely look for. And there should be no second thought before visiting to the site. So, Tanmay, I hope I have answered your question.
Okay, Mr. Saket is asking, how much rent can I get if I invest in SG Highway project? Will a reputed project fetch me more? Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer that?
Sure. So, Saket, see, there are multiple thoughts to this question, but I think answer to your question from my side will be yes. In this micro market, Godrej Garden City is #1 winner in this micro market. We are fetching maximum rate of return from rental yield. So I'll give you an example. If you are going with fully furnished apartment of 1 BHK, rental yield start from 14,000 to 16,000 if you are going with furniture as well. So ticket size of 1 BHK starts from 25 lakh, and if you say 14,000 to 16,000 is rental income per month, it is as good as 7% rental yield. Now, if you keep your funds of 25 lakh in bank, then you will not get more than 7% in FD as well. This rental yield what we are counting 7%, that is one of the rental yield what you are getting, but at the same time property pricings will definitely go up. We are not counting that as in return. Same is case if you are going with 2 BHK fully furnished apartment, roughly rental income is 22 to 23,000 rupees per month. So ideally, I can say rental yield of more than 7% in any property is one of the best. And this is the only rental yield which, Godrej Garden City is providing. And the reason behind that is, as we discussed in our point 1, that in SG Highway, there are a lot of corporate houses which are coming. And the more demand of apartments will definitely come up in near period of time. At the same time, all these are, transit phase employees. So probably one who is coming for a temporary period of time, the first requirement will be for looking apartment at rental yield. Second will be, yes, to purchase the property. So definitely, Godrej Garden City is a winning product what we can think for.
Okay, Mr. Shah is asking, please let me know which banks can help me with home loans. I am an upper middle class buyer and I wish to buy this property within a month. Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer that?
So like the banks which are available with all the major banks are available like HDFC, Axis or ICICI. This all banks are available and we have the APFs with them. So just the thing is you need to make all the papers ready from your end, and the banks will obviously with your you can say eligibility they will give you the loan.
Okay, one of the viewers is asking, are there any hidden charges if I buy property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work and if there is zero charges for customers? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer this one, please?
So we absolutely charge nothing with our customers. We whatever service we render is absolutely free of cost. We are there to assist your property needs or whatsoever property you like. We are there to assist you. We help you draw a comparison study of the project along with the different projects in a locality. So you can rely on us 100%, and we will not charge you anything for this.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Neeraj is asking, how do you update home buyers about construction status? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
Mr. Neeraj, we have, you can say, we update, we have a CRM team which updates you on every slabs what we achieve during the construction while sharing the photographs, and you can say each and everything on your mail. So you get the update, you can say whenever you want, just by putting up a mail, or whenever we achieve our milestones, we give you the updates of the construction.
Okay, Mr. Singh is asking, please help, is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer this one?
Yes. So there is no good time or bad time to buy a property. Ultimately, it is being used for the end usage purpose. So all the investors also invest in the property considering the fact that there would be an end user in that. And I would suggest this to encash this time of COVID as to get better payment options from the developer. There have been a lot of talks in the town that the prices are going to slash down big time, but we have been talking to a lot of developers and a lot of customers. There has not been even a single case in Ahmedabad specifically when the developer has slashed the prices. So prices remain the same as it was in the pre-COVID era, and we have seen a decent number of transactions happening during the lockdown as well. And having said that, the lockdown has lifted up completely. We are expecting a good footfalls to happen and good transactions to happen at the ground level. So I would say that in cash this timing in terms of payment flexibility, like most of the developers are giving flexibility in terms of payment. Bank is giving different options. The interest rates are are at the lowest, it is lowest since last 15 years. So I think this is the right time for you to make a property purchase if you do not have sufficient funds in hand, or maybe if you are planning to buy a property in the coming future, this is the right time. Just park your a little bit of fund, get the benefits from the developer and from the banking institutions.
Thank you. Mr. Gaurang Panchal is asking, what is the payment schedule of the project? Though we have already answered this question, but I would request Mr. Meghal to please answer that again.
Okay, so Mr. Gaurav, we have a very lucrative payment plan and we termed it as Hope as a plan, correct? So you have a payment plan of 2080 in which you pay 5% as your booking amount, 5% within 10 days of booking, and next 10% within 30 days of your registration of agreement to sell. So basically roughly 20% within 45 to 60 days, and rest as our possession is June 22. So directly on the possession. So there is no loan or nothing as of now you need to take from the bank. It is totally a builder subvention payment plan. So 20% now, 80% in June 22. No payments in between till possession.
Mr. Anshul is asking, what is the possession date of your project? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this?
Possession date as per RERA is June 2022.
Ms. Tanvi is asking, if I invest in this project, what should be my time frame to expect decent capital appreciation? Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this one?
Sure, Surbhi. So, see, Tanvi, your question is a legitimate question that what is the return you can expect. So, see, I cannot say what will happen in next 4-5 years, but I can definitely brief you about what has happened in past 4-5 years. So, see, when we have started Township 10 years back, at that point of time, at what price we have launched versus what is the price of product today, we can see that pricings are doubled and almost more than 100% today. So yes, experience is what you get when you don't get what you want. But from our past experience, we have understood that pricings are doubled, and when there was nothing on ground, and when people were saying it's a project is an outskirt and nobody will go and stay there. Today, when we see there are more than 5,000 families who are staying there, so I can say that pricings will definitely increase in coming period of time. Cycle has just started, and this is the right time to buy the property, as rightly said by Kamal Bhai, that home loan rate of interest are all-time low, as like in 15 years. So definitely the appreciation what we are looking for, in that we can definitely say that interest rate what you are considering, that interest rate are also low, and component of interest will be too low if you are investing today. So I hope I have answered my question, Sobhi.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Atul is asking, please tell about the social and physical infrastructure in the area and how developed it will be by the time I move in. So, Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
So when you talk about the social infrastructure, so this is a township project, and the only township project which is under AMC limit, that is Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation limit.
Mr. Meghal, can you speak a little louder?
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, great. So this is a project which is a 215 acres township, which we developed with a vision of a city within a city. So as of now, as you can say, briefed you before, we have already developed 5,000 apartments, and there are roughly 4,500, 4,300 families staying. So we have a school within the premises, that is Global Indian International School. We have, you can say, parks where your children and your family can enjoy. And even for the morning walk and the evening walk, we have the jogging facility available within the township. Plus, as for the, you can say, social gathering, we also arrange, like you can say, a Diwali function or a Navratri, which is a Garba, which is a famous event in Ahmedabad within the township. So this is, I can say, infrastructure which is developed within the township. Plus, a Green Glades, as I told you, is a premium cluster. So we have, you can say, a party lawn, you can say a banquet hall, or a senior citizen sit out, children's play area. This all facility dedicatedly for the Green Glades, which makes a buyer, you can say, feel safe that he will enjoy a good life staying in Godrej Garden City.
Thank you. So Ms. Madhu is asking, I'm a business owner looking to buy property on SG Highway. Can you tell me more about the customized payment plan? There are a lot more questions about payment plan. Mr. Meghal, would you like to?
So I think nowadays, like all the buyers are looking for the payment plan, and we are with them. So as I mentioned before, also we are having a good payment plan of 20/80, where client is relaxed till possession just by paying 20%. And if somebody wants a down payment plan, we can work on that.
Mr. Pratul is asking, I'm looking for a property for rental returns. How Godrej Green Glades can fit in my investment plan? Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this one?
Sure. So, see, Godrej Garden City specifically, as we said, that has grown a lot in last 10 years. And if we talk about Green Glades, then Green Glade is one of our flagship project till today, what we have launched. As we said that township is integrated township, all the facilities are available within Glade project. All the facilities which are, we are saying clubhouse facilities, they're also available within the premises of Green Glade itself. So in Godrej Garden City, Green Glade is one of the best project what anybody can look for, and we have multiple options like 2 BHK, 3 BHK spacious, and 3 BHK luxurious in that. So options are many, inventories are good. We can work upon various good option in that.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Mayank Patel is asking, is there any extra payment for amenities and parking? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
So, like the pricing which we showed, that includes each and everything. There is nothing over and above that pricing. So that includes your parking also.
Mr. Mridul is asking, how big are your projects? Will there be enough greenery in the compound once it ready? And how builder will ensure this? Mr. Meghal, would you like to take this one?
Yeah, for sure. So when you talk about the greenery, so right now we have developed around 90 to 100 acres, which is 50% of the land parcel. And right now also when you see that is 13,000 trees which are already planted in that township, correct? And the area is approximately 77% open area. So we are more into, like, as name suggests of the place, Godrej Garden City. Correct. So we are into, like, giving the best greenery ever in Ahmedabad in any of the project. And as we are open now at office, correct. So you can visit and you can see that once you enter the garden city, you can say that I am not in Ahmedabad, but in somewhere forest where the flats are available. So that kind of greenery we already have.
Okay. There's another question from Mr. Mayank Patel. How many number of floors are there in 2 BHK? Mr. Meghal, would you like to answer this one?
So the green glades, whether you go for a 2 BHK or a 3 BHK, it is a 23 floors construction.
Okay. So there is another question. So how metro will impact SG Highway real estate? So Mr. Mukesh, would you like to answer this question?
Sure. So see, connectivity is one of the major concern of any home buyer who is looking to buy the property, and any which way, as we are focusing on SG Highway, the reason behind investing in real estate in nearby vicinity of SG Highway was the easy connectivity. Same fundamental applies to metro as well. If metro is coming down in this patch, and if that belt is taken care of properly, then pricings will definitely boost up in coming period of time. So ideally, this is the right time to invest in any vicinity nearby metro development, considering SG Highway is also part of it.
Right, right. We are receiving a lot of queries from our viewers. Unfortunately, we are running out of time, but don't worry.
Right.
Our team will reach out to you shortly. Now we request our panelists to give their closing remarks. Mr. Meghal, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah, I will first of all like to thank everyone who has joined for this webinar arranged by PropTiger with Godrej Properties. Also like to thank the team of PropTiger. Correct. And the thing is that this is the right time to buy property, as we have a very good payment plan, which is, you can say, kind of a once in a lifetime chance what we give. We also understand that the buyers are a little bit easy about making an investment. But yes, this is the right time with the right payment plan. And as Mukesh mentioned, with the grade A developers, because you know that you are safe and we are going to finish the project within the time frames.
Thank you. Mr. Mukesh, your closing remarks, and please guide our buyers, like what should they do and why they should invest in Godrej.
Sure. So, Surbhi, see, as Kamal Bhai has already quoted, there is no right time to buy the property. It is ideally you buy the property now and wait later. So, in scenario of COVID, we can definitely say that all the circumstances which any home buyer can dream of, all these circumstances are favoring them. If we talk about easy payment plan like 2080 payment plan without bank subvention, builder subvention like Godrej has already executed that plan very well, and customers are getting that opportunity to get complete waiver of interest till the time they get possession. First thing. Second thing, the easy along with easy payment plan, we are also offering easy payment timeline. So in 20% also, it's not that they have to pay 20% upfront to us. We are giving little flexibility in that as well, with certain time frame that they have to complete 20% payment. So easy payment plan along with 2080, we can say that in last 15 years we have not seen such kind of home loan rate of interest which is as like less than 7.5%. So definitely this all the facilities what government is also giving, like monitoring period and builders offers, these are the opportunities what any home buyer can look for and get grab all these opportunity today, because probably 2 or 3 months down the line we may not get all these opportunities at the same time. So Surbhi, I think I would request all my home buyers to contact PropTiger team and come to us. We'll further do a discussion inventory wise and book their dream home.
Thank you, Mr. Mukesh. Mr. Kamal, please tell our home buyers why they should choose PropTiger and how PropTiger can help them in their home buying journey.
So first of all, I would like to thank all the participants who have spared out time to attend this webinar. Secondly, I would want everyone of them to stay safe. Although the lockdown has been lifted up, but still their safety lies in their hands. For all your property needs, we are there to assist you. So in case of any help, any query, you can reach out to us. If by any chance we have missed to address your concern, you can drop in your message. We will contact you just after the webinar. We will help you, secure a dream home of yours as per your choice and as per your budget. Once again, thank you for joining, and stay safe.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.